Deposits in your car's fuel system can slowly and gradually reduce your vehicle of power. If left unattended, power, performance, and fuel efficiency are often replaced by hard starting, poor acceleration, rough idling, or other unwanted symptoms. Berryman's B60 high-mileage fuel system rejuvenator cleans and protects the entire fuel system of all high-mileage gas-powered vehicles, including those with 60,000 miles or more. It's formulated for use in both modern and classic cars. Equally effective in carbureted engines as well as fuel-injected vehicles. Also works great in two-stroke engines. The easy pour-in solution dissolves fuel residue and carbon deposits to restore lost power and efficiency. Rough idling and hesitation symptoms are instantly improved and overall drivability is restored. Stretch your dollar further by saving money at the pump with increased fuel economy. Preserve the life of your higher mileage vehicle with the Berryman B60 High Mileage Fuel System Rejuvenator. Add a can of treatment every 1,000 miles or as needed for continued peak performance. You can find Berryman B60 High Mileage Fuel System Rejuvenator at your favorite automotive retailer or online at berrymanproducts.com.